We are pleased to show you the 2021 Defender. If you are looking for a serious, all-around utility vehicle with reliability and style, then the Land Rover Defender 90 is for you. This is the iconoclastic exploration vehicle. The full-time four-wheel drive, off-road British-made Defender 90 is one vehicle that will get you in and out of some of the trickiest spots nature has to offer. With a 90 wheelbase and coil springs, the Defender 90 has outstanding four-wheel agility and improved riding comfort too. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control, power moonroof, four-wheel disc brakes, rain-sensing wipers. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.